At Hydro One, every pool we build begins with precision. Our one-piece technique allows us to prefabricate the pool off-site and deliver it as a complete structure. This means we can retrofit a pool seamlessly into an existing home with minimal disruption, a stark contrast to the mess and noise of traditional concrete construction. One of the biggest challenges we often face is limited space. Our solution? The one-piece system combined with Graphite Finishes and our integrated Pipeless Pool System. This approach optimizes land use while ensuring the pool remains leak-free, structurally sound, and resistant to fading. The result is a pool that looks as good as it performs, sleek, modern, and built to last. But beyond engineering, what truly matters is lifestyle. Families get to enjoy hydrotherapy with spa jets, quiet relaxation on pool lounges, or the simple convenience of dipping in for exercise at any time. A pool isn't just a structure. It's a transformation of how people live in their homes. For us, these projects also reinforce Hydro One's credibility. They show that even in spaces where traditional builds aren't practical, we can deliver a premium pool solution without compromise. And looking forward, the one-piece system opens doors to even more possibilities. More urban homes, more compact spaces, more opportunities to create that luxury pool lifestyle, all made easier, faster, and more precise. That's the future Hydro One is building towards.